In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Big Cartel. When you're running an online store, one of the most critical aspects to nail down is shipping. It's not just about getting your products from point A to point B, it's about providing a seamless experience for your customers that keeps them coming back. And if you're using Big Cartel, you're in luck because setting up shipping is straightforward once you know the steps to take. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Big Cartel website. This platform is a popular choice for artists and small businesses looking to sell online without the hassle. Once there, you're going to click on Login to access your account. This should be pretty straightforward. Just look for the login button prominently displayed on the page. Next step, you'll need to enter your shop URL. Every Big Cartel store has a unique URL that helps customers find you easily online. Type yours into the designated field to continue. This is a crucial step, ensuring you're accessing the correct shop to set up your shipping rates. After entering your shop's URL, you will be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you type in your password correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. This is your key to accessing the back end of your store where all the magic happens. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Big Cartel dashboard. This is where all your shop management tasks begin, from adding new products to analyzing your sales data. But for today, our focus is on shipping, so let's keep moving. Look for the account option. You might have to click around a bit, but it's usually straightforward to find. The account section is where you can tweak various settings that affect your entire store, shipping included. In the account settings, scroll down until you find the shipping profiles section, and then click on Edit. This is where you'll be able to manage how your products are shipped, whether you're using flat rates, variable rates based on weight, or a carrier calculated method. Now click on Add Product Shipping Profile. This is an important step because each product or group of products can have unique shipping needs and costs. By setting up specific profiles, you're ensuring that customers are charged the right amount for shipping, which is vital for both your profitability and customer satisfaction. At this stage, add your shipping rates. Consider the different destinations you'll be shipping to and the various shipping methods you might want to offer. Whether it's standard, express, or international shipping, carefully input the rates that correspond to each service and destination. Lastly, don't forget to click Save. It might seem obvious, but all the work you've done setting up your shipping rates won't mean a thing if you don't save your changes. After clicking Save, your shipping settings will be applied to your store. And you'll be one step closer to a seamlessly running online shop. And there you have it, the steps to setting up shipping on Big Cartel, laid out in an easy to follow guide. Remember, shipping is more than just a necessity for online selling. It's an opportunity to provide excellent service that stands out in the minds of your customers. So take the time to get it right, and your efforts will surely pay off. As always, keep experimenting with your rates and profiles to find what works best for your business and your customers. E-commerce is an ever-evolving field, and staying adaptive is key to success. Thank you for joining me today. With your newly set up shipping options, your Big Cartel store is now better equipped to meet the needs of your shoppers wherever they may be. Happy selling!